Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Surfer SEO for optimizing pages to rank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Surfer SEO, first, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Surfer SEO. Once you reach the home page, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign up page. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If you are new to Surfer SEO, fill in your details to create a new account. Provide your email address, choose a password, and confirm your password. After filling in the information, click on the Create Account button. Next, you may be prompted to choose a subscription plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Once you select a plan, enter your payment information. Review your payment details and click Confirm to complete the purchase. After the purchase, you will be redirected to your Surfer SEO dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the main features. To start optimizing your pages, select the Content option. Click on Create New Document to begin. Enter the title of the page you want to optimize. Choose relevant keywords for the content you wish to create. Surfer will generate a content editor based on your input. Analyze the data provided in the content editor to enhance your page. Make sure to follow Surfer's recommendations for keyword density and structure. Once you are satisfied with your content, it's time to publish. Copy your optimized content and paste it into your website editor. Finally, review your on-page SEO settings before making the page live. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Surfer SEO and optimized your page for better rankings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.